Hi, Andy from Ducting Express here. Today we're going to show you how to fit some Express Slip Ducting. Our Express Slip Ducting comes in 3 lengths, 500, 1 metre and 1.5 metres, and the slip duct is ideal to bridge those gaps. So I'm just going to show you how this is fitted. So we've got the slip end here, it's going to fit in the main bit. I'm just going to get that there. So for instance, if you had a gap of 600, just get your tape measure out there, measure your 600 and pull the slip bit pulls up to there. So just as easy, I'm just going to turn this up just to fit the clip. So the clip then fits around both parts of the duct, just making sure you've got the red seal either side. That fits around there. I'm going to hold that and clamp it. Just when you've got all that done, just make sure that the airflow inside here is coming this way. So your slip duct is this end, your airflow is coming this way, just to ensure nothing gets trapped in the main duct here. And that's how you fit an express bit of slip duct.